When performing a bird dog exercise, you need to be on all your fours. Drop those hands straight from the shoulder joint and the legs straight from the hip joint. Keep your back straight, engage your core muscles, and keep on breathing. Do not hold your breath. Start by stretching your arm forward and your leg upward, the opposite leg, stretching those glutes muscles and the rotator cuff of the shoulder and the shoulder muscles too with the stretched arm. Repeat the same motion on the other side and keep on going. At least perform 10 repetitions on each side. This is a great exercise that will not only help you strengthen your core muscles, but tone your whole body at large. Go ahead and give it a try and let me know in the comments section how it goes with you. Good luck.